In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to use Replit agent for beginners. We'll walk through how to turn a simple idea into a working mobile app using Replit's AI agent, and then get it ready to share and package for iOS or Android. First, head over to replit.com in your browser. If you're not signed in yet, log in or create a free account so your work is saved. Once you're in, open the Replit agent chat space. This is where you'll talk to the AI and guide it to build your project. In the chat space, type your prompt. Be clear and specific about what you want the mobile app to do. For example, describe the app's purpose, the key screens you need, and any features like authentication or data storage. Adding details about colors, layout, and any sample content can save time later. The more context you give, the better the initial result will be. Next, select the mobile option in the interface. This tells the agent you want a mobile-focused project rather than a web or backend app. Setting this target helps it choose the right framework and structure from the start, so your preview and interactions feel native to a phone layout. Now click Send. The agent will begin generating your project, writing code, and configuring files automatically. You'll see progress updates as it works. Give it a moment. Larger requests can take a bit longer. If the agent asks for clarification, provide short, direct answers so it can continue. Replit will then build your mobile app based entirely on your prompt. When the preview appears, try it out right away. Tap through the screens, check buttons and navigation, and make sure the main flow behaves as expected. If something looks off, tell the agent exactly what to adjust, like changing text, refining styling, or adding a missing screen, and let it update the project. When you're happy with the result and ready to share, click Publish in the top right corner. If you've published before, it may say Republish. Add a short description and confirm the publish so others can access your project. Publishing creates a shareable version you can reference outside the editor. Finally, copy your project's URL. You can use this link with your preferred packaging or build service to turn the app into an iOS or Android package. Follow that service's instructions closely. Typically, you'll paste your URL, configure any settings, and generate the build. Be sure to prepare required assets like app icons and follow platform guidelines for the smoothest submission process. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.